Airplane, airplane in the sky. Ikaw lab, kita ka airplane lab? Ang gito man airplane ang mo brother Louis sad. Hayaan ni ang brother Louis kita man airplane. Nagpaubos ang airplane lang no. Ubos kayo ang airplane lang. Wala, daghan na kang flowers ang kuan, kalamansi na sadla. Daghan na og small flowers, ay small fruits. Wala, daghan na small fruits. Daghan kaayo. Flowers as well. Wow, that's good. Lovely. Tapi di habi kay maigo ka anong ko kahoy. Ato ra ka oh. Ay ari ko bi. Sit down si mama. You stay here. You stay there and I stay here, okay? Nah, very good. Catch it. Okay, thank you. No face live today. Why? Because you know na. You know it's not possible. Not possible for today. It's late because it's late. You know. I can do live with face about 2 p.m. 2 p.m. and to 3 or 1 p.m. to 3, but not late because yeah, I need also play with Kiara for exercise, you know. Thank you, love. Go backward. You didn't catch? Okay, I understand. Yeah. Yeah. My friend today is not here. Or maybe here but not commenting. Umayo ka, Chokira. Very good man. Dali lang. We have short time, ramang good oh. Okay, it's already 5. Yeah, 5:27. So it gets dark in 30 minutes. I am here, maybe not your friends na. You are not my friends anymore? Oh my goodness. Oh my God. No. It couldn't be because you are my moderator. Oh my God. Brother, where are you going? Brother Luis, patrolling again. Where are you going? So, dali, dirty kay kag face. Dali. Come on, sweetheart. Dali, rabugo na siya. Dali. Thank you. Adali.